Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and as usual I'm your host Phyllis Boache. Today we are going to make okra stew in nkruma froye a ede nkruma wosa ekwa insida intino. Watch throughout the whole video and see my tips in making okra stew. Okay guys, we are done. So when send nkruma na you trying no. That's how we want our okra. Very, very healthy. So guys, if you have other tips, kindly leave it in the comment below. I really would love to read your comments as well. I hope you subscribed, and also kindly share my videos to your friends and to your families as well. Thank you so much for the support, and see you in my next video. Bye.